Hey guys, welcome to my channel Drabtofab. So how are you all? So if you are looking for some natural glow for this festive season without investing much time, effort and money, so this is the right video for you all. And there also going to be a skincare hack at the end of the video. So stay tuned and watch till the end. And if you like this simple, easy peasy 3-step glowy skin, do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now without further ado, let's get started. So the first step is going to be cleanup. For that I'm using raw milk. After cleanup, the next step is going to be steaming, and for that I am taking one dry towel and some lukewarm water, and I'm just going to dip it into the water and take a hot towel steam. So I'm going to repeat the same steps for 3 to 4 times, and this will just open up your pores and give you a more glowy skin, as you can already see. Step was super duper relaxing. You must try this step, and my skin is feeling so chilled out, so relaxed, and the glow is clearly visible. I hope the glow is clearly visible. You can see the glow. So moving on to the last step, that is mask. I use sheet mask, and it's of aloe vera, and it's by the company Face Shop. So I'm just going to keep it for 15 minutes and the step is done. So I'm back after 15 minutes, and you can see the shine. I guess it's naturally within glow kind of a look, and I'm absolutely loving the glow going on. Now it's time for the skincare hack, and for that you just need 2 spoons, right? You just need them, and just place it like this on your cheeks, apple of your cheeks, and press it outward gently and massage your skin like this. And it's very effective for that natural blush look, gives you a brighter glowy skin, tones up your skin, give you a more sculpted definition, and increases your blood circulation. So overall this facial massage is very much effective for that special day look if you don't want to invest so much time in your skincare. Now take the back of the spoon like this and do the same steps. Just press it very gently. Don't poke yourself or harm yourself. Just press it like this outward, and you will see the results yourself. Can you see that red flush? It's already coming. So I love this trick a lot. So after applying the sheet mask, I am doing this step. So if you are not applying the sheet mask, then you can also apply some facial oils or the essentials oil and do the step. It's completely fine. So I hope you can see the glow on my face without applying any of the makeup product. Just 3 easy steps, and also the blush effect going around. So do try this easy peasy 3 steps for that glowy juicy effect on a special day, if you are in a hurry or it's urgently some planning happening around and you have to go attend the party, meeting, festive, anything, and you want to glow like this without investing much time, effort and also money. So do try this step, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, keep glowing, be healthy, enjoy the festive month, and bye.